Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint dynamic PowerPoint template in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch till end. First, go to format background and insert a picture fill of a dark background with some small stars. And next, you're gonna go to insert tab and go to 3D models and then search for moon. And next, you're going to insert it this one model of the moon and it will take somewhat time, so you're going to increase its size and then you're going to move it half out of the template and half inside the template and then out of the template fully. And next, insert a text box in which you're going to add your header and change its color to white, and you have to use a bold font for it. Increase its size and move it into the center, align it into the center, and decrease its size a bit so that we can just move it into the entire template. Next, duplicate this text box and then remove its fill and give the shape and outline of white color. Duplicate it again and duplicate both of the text box again with the outlines and move them upwards of the main header. Next, what you have to do is duplicate this template and go to first template, and then what you have to do is select all of the text and align it into the middle and the center of the template. Next, duplicate this template and move the outline text box as we did in the first template. So these two go downwards and the other two of the outline text box goes upwards of the main title. And next we're going to move our direction of this moon 3D model, and then we're going to put it half inside the template and half out of the template. And for this outline text box, we're just going to select them and then them to the back. And for this moon, let's move it half out of the template and half inside. Go to the first template and you have to send those outline text box to the back as well. So here you go. So I have sent all of them to the back. Now select both of the templates and give them morph transition. So this is the final result, and if you want this template for free, you can check out the link in the description below.